Hello, how are you all? Long time no see, huh? I know it's been a little while since I uploaded a video. So today I thought of doing something different from rest of my videos. On my recent trip to Kerala, which is also my native place, I had the chance to visit a beautiful spot known as ayyappancoil in Kattappana. I couldn't help but notice all the tiny colorful flowers along the way. So I had this idea, why not to make a tiny bouquet with these flowers? One by one I started picking them. Of course I didn't leave a single flower behind. I collected every cute little one I found. Achu was my little partner in crime, holding the flowers while I continued my little treasure hunt. Back home, we started the craft together. Achu, Jacchu and Akku helped me gather all the stationery things needed. I began with peeling off the top layer of the cardboard. It wasn't easy at all, so Achu and Akku joined to help, shaping it whatever I could find around. Yeah, that's right, Achu. It's made to hold chips. It's a chips holder, right? Time slipped away, and I actually did not get the time to finish it. On the day we were about to leave, I suddenly remembered my little bouquet was still waiting for me. In a hurry, I grabbed the flowers, cardboard, and arranged them as best as I could. Before leaving, I casually told Achu to modify it if he ever get the time. I didn't think he would take it seriously, but he actually did. Here's how it has turned out to be. It looks so cool, fun and creative at the same time. Thank you guys for helping out. Also, thanks to those who are watching this video and have reached till this end. If you liked the video, to give a thumbs up, and if you want to watch more such videos, do subscribe and press the bell icon. Shukriya, until next time, bye bye.